Hi, welcome to Barrack Mitsubishi. My name is Josh and today we're doing a walk around video on this 2015 Hyundai iLoad. Now starting off at the front, I'm going to walk you around the vehicle and show you the condition and some of the features as well. Just over here we have got those really big headlights, iconic to the Hyundai iLoads. Really good when you do need them, and they do give you plenty of visibility as well. I believe that is a fog light built into the headlight there as well. Now the design of the front of the vehicle is very slanted, so it's built to give you maximum visibility being a van, and it's also built to maximize the amount of space in the vehicle as well. If we move along to that first steel wheel there, you will notice it is in really good condition, so plenty of tread left in the tire as well. But being a steel wheel, it is made to take a few scratches and dents, but they are actually in pretty remarkable condition. We've got the plastic side mirrors and door handles, and the indicator is just built into the quarter panel there as well. If I open the car up quickly, you will notice the seats are still in really good condition considering the age and the use of the vehicle. But if we have a look at that first door there as well, really good sign that the previous owner hasn't been kicking that door open. Now something I love about the iLoad is that it opens up from both sides, so really good access on this side here, and we have got that liner in the back there as well as a cargo barrier, so you know everything in the back isn't going to fly into the front seat. Closing that back up, and we have a look at that next steel wheel there. Once again, really good condition and plenty of tread left in that tire as well. Making our way to the back, as you can see, we've got that really big tailgate there. We've got a high mounted stoplight, so all the way up there, so really difficult for anyone to actually miss the vehicle when you do press your brakes. And we have got that large wiper on the back there, so it keeps that whole windshield really clean. Opening that up, if you have a look inside, you may notice there's absolutely nothing in here, so it is a blank canvas for whatever you may need to fit it out with, whether it be shelves or tools or even just deck it out for personal use, who knows. But it is a blank canvas for you there. On this side of the vehicle, the fuel filler cap is just here over the rear wheel. So I know some vans have it over the front wheel, however, it is good to know that it is right here over the back. Next steel wheel, once again, really good condition, and paintwork all the way along the vehicle for a work vehicle is actually remarkable. So even if I'm being super picky, I can't actually see anything worth pointing out. We'll make our way to that next wheel there, and once again, just like the other three, in really good condition for its steel wheel. What we're going to do now is open the bonnet and have a look at the engine. Look under the bonnet. Now it is a 4-cylinder 2.5 litre turbo diesel engine. The vehicle itself does have a 5-speed automatic gearbox. Now the power output from this engine is 125 kilowatts with a torque rating of 441 newton meters, so plenty of torque there if you did want to tow anything with the van. The diesel fuel tank holds 75 litres and it runs on the combined fuel consumption is 8.8 litres per 100, giving you an average fuel distance depending on your driving style of about 852 kilometers from a full tank. Inside the iLoad now, just in the driver's side door here, we've got our power window controls. So the driver's side is automatic down, but you do have to hold it to go back up. Just above that again is your central locking, and then above that again is a toggle for your power mirrors. On the right hand side of the steering wheel, we've got the brightness control for the cluster and your traction control if you need to turn off traction control on an iLoad for whatever reason. On the right hand stalk, we've got indicators and headlights, and on the left hand stalk here we have got our washers and wipers. Now on the steering wheel itself, you get all your media settings on the left hand side here. If we have a look at the center head unit, you do get AM and FM radio. You've also got hands-free calling. You've also got an AUX and USB input, and for those of you who still like CDs, you've got a CD option there as well. Now connecting to Bluetooth is really handy because you can actually play music through Bluetooth as well, I believe. Just down here again, we've got the air conditioning controls and the shifter itself. If you need extra power, you can put it into drive, then bump it to the left for sports mode and switch through the gears manually. Just here we have got a 12-volt socket and maybe a little coin storage if you wanted. Just in here, 2 pop-out cup holders and somewhere where you can get a 12-volt socket installed as well. So the center console is all designed to maximize how much is going on there while minimizing the amount of space it takes up. The other thing I love about the interior of the iLoad compared to other vans is you do get a lot of leg room, so really comfortable cabin in these iLoads. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk-around video on this 2015 iLoad. Something I would highly recommend is please ask us about our premium mechanical protection plan, because that's going to cover the electrics and mechanical side of the vehicle. So there are 181 items covered in this plan, and that's going to give you coverage for the next 5 years, and you also get 10 years of platinum roadside assist. There's a lot more included in this plan, so please ask us about it because we'd be more than happy to run you through it. Now, if you're using our in-house finance, Julie and Mario, our business managers, can actually tailor a package for you, and that's only going to change your payments by a very small amount each week. So do give us a call on 99070555. Just before I go, have a look at our Google reviews as well. We're sitting on 4.8 stars with over 950 reviews. That's from customers Australia-wide, so people enjoy dealing with us. We make the process easy, and we make sure that you are buying a good quality vehicle from the right person. So once again, the number is 99070555. My name is Josh, and thank you so much for watching.